Hi everyone, my name is Portia Gonzalez, my professor's name is Carolina Michel, and today I will be presenting my Drawdown project. First, I'd like to state the goal of this presentation, which is to inform all of you which two solutions I believe to work for cutting down carbon emissions as much as we all can. The two ways that I chose are carpooling and the use of electric cars. The first solution that I will talk about is carpooling. So carpooling is when people share a ride that has similar destinations and routes. Carpooling is a good option because there's less fuel that is being used, less cars are on the road, which can also help with traffic, and it lightens the load on infrastructure. I couldn't find any risks for carpooling, but some co-benefits that I found was the cost for fuel can be split amongst the people that are in the car equally, and almost everyone ends up at the same destination, or they can drop off people on their way to that destination. The only drawback that I found was if the fuel or gasoline becomes cheaper, the more likely people will want to drive alone in their own separate cars. Now, as for electric cars, which are cars that run on electricity and not gasoline, these cars are becoming a lot more popular in this day and age, and I'll tell you why. There is a reduction of car emissions by the use of renewable energy. A risk that I found for electric cars is that people can get stuck somewhere without being able to charge their car at a charging station. A benefit that I found is the fuel for electric cars is a lot more cheaper than gasoline in the long run. The only drawback that I could find is a single charge can only go for about 80 to 90 miles, which cars that run on gasoline can last a lot longer. Now, to recap, carpooling and electric cars are better options because it is cheaper, there are not too many risks, and there are minor setbacks. And here are the references that I used for this presentation. Thank you all for listening.